respected principal, ma'am, teacher, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great, proud to present this speech in front of you. On this day is the most important for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independent from British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, and others devotees their entire life for the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental right. Our freedom is the priceless and our brave soldier fight continuously on border and protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect. It need to make perfect by people of the country. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duties and progress together for the growth of development and development of our country. Surely the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Thank you, and once again I wish you a happy independence.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Pawnee Pant, respected principal ma'am, manager, sir, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak you about Independence Day. So, at first, I wish you all happy Independence Day. It is a big day for all the Indian citizens because in the 15 August 1947, India got independent from the British rule. We celebrated Independence Day every year with great joy and happiness. We celebrate Independence Day with great spirit. It is celebrate to commemorate our those war heroes who sacrificed their life for India independent. So I would like to stop my words, and again I wish you all happy Independence Day.
Good evening to all, respected principal ma'am, manager sir, all staff members and my dear friends. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August every year with the great joy and happiness in India. This is a day we celebrate our freedom as a nation. While we remember all those great stalwarts who made many sacrifices to make this freedom possible for us. Freedom does not mean that we can do anything. Freedom does not mean that we can earn money by hook or by crook. Freedom means using the opportunity that our nation provide us to do our best in whatever field we choose so this great nation can prosper. If every Indian uses his or her freedom to become self-sufficient, so this great nation will build up. At last, I want to say a big thank you to all freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh, and many others. And now I want to rest my words. Thank you, and once again, Happy Independence Day to all.
My name is Manvi Khati. I study in class LKG. I study in class UKG. I am 5 years old. I live in Girinar.
Happy Independence Day
Happy Independence Day
to all of you.
to all of you.
Good morning, all the members of the Aryans Academy. My name is Deepika. I am in 7th standard. Today I will prepare a speech for you in Independence Day. So firstly, I wish you happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year in 15th August. Independence Day is a national festival of India. Today is a historical day of Indians in history. In this 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British rule. In the day, school colleges prepares programs like speech, drawing, dance, singing, and crafting. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I wish you very happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August. We should remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. We got independence on 15th August 1947 from British who ruled our country for around 200 years. We should celebrate this day with great spirit. On this great occasion, we host our national flag and sing national anthem. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Principal ma'am, manager sir, all respected teachers and my classmates and schoolmates and their friends. As we know, we are gathered here to celebrate 75th Independence Day. We celebrated Independence Day on 15 August. In this day, we got free independence or freedom from the British. The day marks the sacrifices of many people known as freedom fighters who gave their lives happily for motherland freedom. India will celebrate its 75th Independence Day on August 15, 2021 across the country amid the coronavirus pandemic. So
Speech on Independence Day. Good morning to the respected principal, managers, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Mayank Rathod. I study in class 3rd. I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day everywhere on 15th August. Today we are celebrate 75 Independence Day. It is a very important day for India citizen because on 15 August 1947 India got freedom from the British rule. India became independent country after lots of hard work and sacrifice of brave India freedom fighters. Due to these brave heroes, we living a happy life. Today we should never forget his contribution. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning everyone. My name is Pranjal Rawat. I am standard in class 7th. Respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. This day is the first of all I wish you a very happy Independence Day. This day is the most important day because in this day we got freedom from the British rule in 15 August 1947. This day our some freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh, Lala Rajpat Rai, etc. In this year we celebrate our 75th Independence Day. In this day, the national holiday in India, and this is the Independence Day is the national festival of India. People conduct various kinds of cultural program performances, and every Indian celebrates Independence Day. Good afternoon everyone, honorable principal, respected teacher and my dear friend. As we know that today is an essential day of the year for our country because it marks the completion of 75 years of independence. So I would like to say few words on Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year as after 200 years of slavery under the British Empire. It was August 15, 1947 that India became an independent nation. Our freedom fighter paid a heavy price to gain this independence. We all are celebrating Independence Day as our national festival. On this day, there is a big celebration in New Delhi at Rajpath, where the national anthem sang after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Also, a salute is given to national flag and freedom fighters by firing 21 guns. All the force take part in parades. This day is day of emotion. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved. Shows strength is in unity. It defines sacrifice. It gives us an example of some wars can be won with non-violence. Lastly, I would like to say that we so proud to born in an independent and democratic country. Thank you. जय हिंद जय भारत.
सुप्रभात. मेरा नाम कृष्णा थपोला है. मैं कक्षा 7 का छात्र हूँ. आज मैं आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में कुछ पंक्तियाँ बताना चाहता हूँ. 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत के इतिहास को स्वर्ण अक्षरों में लिखा गया. इसी दिन देश के आज़ाद होने पर भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने लाल किले पर झंडा फहराया था. तभी से प्रत्येक वर्ष देश के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले में झंडा फहराते हैं, राष्ट्रगान गाते हैं और सभी शहीद स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को 21 तोपों से श्रद्धांजलि दी जाती है. अब मैं अपने शब्दों को विराम देता हूँ. जय हिंद जय भारत.
Morning everyone. Today I am going to tell you about Independence Day speech. Good morning everyone. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day. India became independence on this day. We hoist a national flag on this day. Everybody sings the national anthem. Independence Day is the celebration of your freedom. This year we are celebrating our 15th Independence Day. It is celebrated with full joy. Let's be proud to be Indians. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you so much.
Good morning, myself Ritesh Pant. I am in standard 7th. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today I want to tell you a speech about Independence Day. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, today is a great importance for all Indians. Today we celebrate our freedom as a nation. While we remember those freedom fighters who made many sacrifices to make this freedom possible for us, we should also pause and reflect that what is freedom possible for us and what use we are making of it. Happy Independence Day. Thanks you.
Respected principal, teachers, all listeners, all and classmates. My son Manas Pant, class 4th. At first, I would like to say good morning and congratulate 75th Independence Day. In this day, we get freedom from British power after a great struggle and the sacrifice of many great patriots. This day is very important for any Indian. We have to know the meaning of freedom. We will take the responsibility for growth for our country. Thanks for listening me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.